Hi everyone. So today we're going to go over the last example of solving a system of linear equations. Um, let's just get started. So we have two lines. Let's just write the lines out. Let's say it's y is equal to 4x plus 10. And let's have another line. I'm going to say it's y is equal to 16 16 over 4x plus 10. So what we want to do is we want to find where these two lines intersect at. So we can set them equal to each other. So it's going to be 4x plus 10 is equal to 16 over 4x plus 10. Now, what you'll notice here is that if you solve for both these lines, or if you solve for x here, you'll get 4x minus 16 over 4x that equals to 10 minus 10. So if you reduce this, you'll get 4x minus 16 divided by 4 is 4x, and then 10 minus 10. Now, if you look at this, this is a pretty straightforward example. Is that 4x minus 4 is equal to 0, and then 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is a true statement. 0 does equal 0. So all that means is that these two lines, for all x values, they intersect at all x values. That's all this is proving. So basically it means that these two lines are the same line. So those are the three. So in my last two videos, we talked about parallel lines, we talked about lines that intersect at one point, and we talked about this example, which is talking about system of equations, of linear equations, where both equations are the same line. So basically, just to wrap up this series for solutions of linear equations, we're just going to say that a system of linear equations can have, for two equations, a system of linear equations where there's only two equations in the system, you can have one solution, you could have no solution, which is the case with parallel lines, or you can have an infinitely many solutions for the case of where both equations are the same line, such as this example. So that concludes today's video. If you like what you see, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, or like this video, and have a good day. And as always,